Hi guys, I'm with Azavi right now and he said that he wants to be Spider-Man in the future. Yes.
So beneficial, especially getting to know the routine, the best regime. I mean, getting to know the right regime for your skin. So that's the best part of the learning today.
It was really fun. We really had a good time. I haven't really thought about the plans yet, but I'm hoping that I'll sit at home with my mom and spend the day with her.
I haven't planned so far because I've been working woman, so I'm so packed up with the schedule. But then let's see what happens.
We're gonna host a party, and yeah, I think.
Okay, thank you.